When you tell someone you design buildings, do you tell them you're an architect or an engineer? Today we'll go over what each one does and their roles in designing a building. An architect is more creative and conceptual. They typically design the creative aspects of the building and how it looks aesthetically. The engineer is in charge of the math and science part of the building, how it's going to stand and how it's going to be able to sustain loads. Engineers also are more logistical thinkers. They use logic and rules to make sure that the building goes up properly, whereas the architect wants to make sure it looks good and fits all the needs of the client. The architects tend to break rules and sometimes go over budget, while the engineer's main goal is to make sure the building stands but also stays within the budget. Architects have a smaller salary than engineers, but they're not afraid to live in fantasy land.